Hello my channel. Today a recipe for an express delicious moist ebony. As always at the beginning I invite new viewers to subscribe to the channel, click the bell and you'll be up to date with my recipes. I present a list of necessary ingredients. The same list can be found in the description below the video. Below the video I also add a link to the blog Mix. And as you can see, the recipe is really quick. We transfer it to a form of dimensions 25 by 35 centimeters. We bake to a so-called dry stick for about 60 minutes or longer. We bake, of course, without convection. Prepare the glaze for the cooled ebony. For me, 100 milliliters, 30% cream, 100 g of chocolate. I melted everything in a pot. To a uniform mass. After cooling, pour over the dough. After cutting, sprinkle with shredded coconut about 2 or 3 hands of chips and it's ready. The cake retains its freshness for a very long time. Prepare it, I definitely recommend it, and of course I invite you to watch my next videos. Greetings.